Hello everyone, welcome to Codeforces round 988 division 3. We are solving problem C. Super ultra's favorite permutation. So in this problem, we need to construct a permutation P of length n such that pi plus 1 is a composite over all the values of I to n minus 1, and if it's not possible, you just have to simply return minus 1. So in the problem says that we have t test cases, n will be given, and we have to either give minus 1 if we cannot create a permutation, and if we can create a permutation such that the consecutive elements, adjacent elements, sum is a composite number. So permutation has every value from 1 to n at one time. That is one case to be had. And very first thing comes to mind is that if I club two events together, I will always get a composite number. If I'll always club two odd numbers together, I will also get a composite number. That makes sense. Okay, that is totally so simple approach. You divide the entire array into two parts. First half will be odd numbers, second half will be even numbers. Okay, but the middle part is the concern, that when we are joining it. Okay, so initially if you try to create that, if we try with, let's say 4, if we try. Okay, so the idea is that all the 1 2 3 4 for all that case we will be turning minus 1, because if we arrange it any possible case, we can't make them all the adjacent values to be a composite number. So that is the case. Just to be sure, like let's try that. If 1 is placed with 2, their sum is 3, not a composite. 1 placed with 3 is 4, it is a composite number. So 1 3 can be a case. For my check 1 4, it will be uh, not a composite number. So I know that 1 3 will be adjacent together. Now how should I place 3? Either 3 should be placed with 2 or 4, but both the sums won't make it composite. So another thing, I can try it at 3 and 4. Now placing 1 and 1 with 2 3, 1 with 4 5, so I can't make it. So this was a confirmation that I cannot make up till 4 my numbers this follow this permutation logic that they have set. So minus 1. For the rest of the cases, what I can do is, let's pick the value for 6, no, let's do it for 5 first, to make this things understand. So what I did, that you just club the odd at one side and odd even one side. So idea is 1 3 and 5, and then if you club 2 and 4, now 1 3 their sum is 4, composite. 3 5 sum composite. 5 2 their sum is not composite. Okay, noted. 2 4 their sum is composite. So what I did is, I wanted to find the smallest odd and smallest even number such that the sum is a composite, and that comes to be that 5 and 4, if they are placed together, the merging part is solved. That how I was merging odd and even, that is now solved. So now I can put 2 here. So now this follows the logic properly. So the idea is, let's say for 6 I am doing it 1 3 5, done. Now I will do 4, then 2, and then 6. Let's do it for a bigger number. Let's do it for 10. For 10 I will 1 3, I will skip 5 because 5 will be a merger. So 7 and 9, then I have 5, then 4, then I will start with 2 6 8 and 10. So this is basically the logic. I will print all the odd numbers first except 5. That I am doing here, I am starting from I is equal to 1 up to n and incrementing by 2. So all the odd numbers will be there. If I am having 5, I am skipping it, otherwise I am printing it I. When this odd is done, I am printing 5 and 4, and then I am printing all the even numbers starting from 2 up to n, incrementing it by 2. If I encounter 4, I've already used that, I can't make it, so continue, and for the rest of the values, see out the value it is. So that is all that we have to do in this problem. So that was all for this question. If you have any query, do comment it out and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.